Hello guys, welcome back to Yelan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to make an image move in Canva. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So for this tutorial, I'm assuming that you already created your account. So if you haven't created your account, at the top right, you should be able to see an option to create your account. So it's actually easier if you choose your Google account, because when you choose your Google account, it's going to redirect you back into the main home screen or dashboard in Canva. Now in this case, we want to start creating our project. Now since we want to make an image move, then I'm assuming we want to create a video here. So at the top right of your screen, click on create design, and from here you could go ahead and search for a format that you want to use. Now in this case, maybe we want to say we want a video. Now here there are different options for us to use, like for example video itself, video collage in landscape form, and a video message. Now in this case, let's go ahead and choose video here, and it's going to open up another tab. Now in this other tab here, we'll be able to view our canvas. Now immediately, since we chose the video option, it's going to give us this format here wherein we'll be able to change the timing for our canvas. Now in here we have pages. So it's really important that you consider what you include on each page, because we'll be using or utilizing a transition for our image to actually move. Now in this case, what we need to do is we need to go to elements first, or in the upload section here, and basically add our assets. Now in this case, what I need to do here is I want to add my first background. So maybe I want to use this background here for my project. Now once I've added that, I need to go ahead and add my other assets. Now in this case, the other assets that I want to add here is this animated GIFs here. So let's go ahead and drag it in here, and in here the other one as well. Now in here, once we added our assets, you could go ahead and resize them whatever way you want. Like for example, we want to have it in this way. Now in here, what we need to do next is we need to duplicate this page here, or this section here. So in this case, let's go ahead and right click on our page here. From here, click on duplicate page, or just hit on Control D on your keyboard. Now in here, we want to replace this image here with another background. So let's go back in here in the elements, and we want to add this image here. So in this case, we want to go ahead and add this one and resize it accordingly. Now in this case, I want to make sure that this actually fits the whole layout here, and once it actually fits, we could go ahead, just click on Control C to copy this one, go to the first page here, Control V to paste it again, and from here we want to reposition this image or background here to the very bottom. So it's really important that you don't reposition the whole image fully outside the canvas here, because if you fully reposition it outside, it's going to detect that the specific image is already gone or is deleted. So in this case, we want to go ahead and make sure that a little bit is still exposed. Now in here we have this one. Now here we want to go back in here, and we want to change a few things because we are no longer be able to view our animated GIFs. So let's go and click on the empty space here, click on positions, and we want to change this one. So let's go ahead and click on the second background here as the third position here. Same thing, go to page 1, change the positioning here. And maybe in here in page 1, I want to change the layering here, maybe this one. And from here, I want to go to the second page. Now I want to select this image here. So I want to push this image here to the very top. So let's go ahead and just drag it into the top section here, and make sure a little bit is still exposed. And in here, just a quick overview. Let's go ahead and check our positioning. So butterflies at the front, and the positioning of the background. Here, same thing, checking it. Now finally, in the second page here, we want to move the butterflies here. So maybe we want to have this one moved to the right. So let's go ahead and move it to the right, and make sure that still a portion of it is actually exposed. Same thing with the other one. Now in here, once you've done that, we are now ready to add our transition. So in this case, go ahead and hover in between those pages, click on add transitions, and choose the match and move. Now in this case, when you click on that, it's going to show you what's going to happen. Now in this case, we also have the option to increase the duration. So maybe we want to have this move for 1.5. And from here, if you want to change the duration of the first image here, you can go ahead and do that as well. Same thing for page 2. Now from here, let's go ahead and play our video here. And from here, it's going to show you the animation. And as you can see, we were able to move our images here. So yeah, it's actually pretty simple. You just need to apply what I've shown you right now. But making images move is actually pretty easy in Canva. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yellow App. Thank you for watching.